Unreal Engine got a new feature that can completely revolutionize AI in video games.
What is it and why is it so powerful? Let me show.
This is Bob. His team and he are working on a sequel to a super successful shooter, Call of Duty. Bob is using traditional methods in Unreal to create artificial intelligence for the game. To make it good, he has to think about every situation bots can encounter and explicitly program their behavior for those scenarios. So, after many days of suffering, Bob finally has functional AI. Yes, it's pretty predictable, not very diverse, and sometimes acts a little bit unnatural, but it works. Now Bob can relax a little bit and oh no! The team has just added new gameplay features that create a bunch of new scenarios the bots don't understand how to handle. Bob now has to add new behaviors for the AI again, if there was a way to do this automatically.
And there is.
Let's shift our focus to a new prospective employee, Bill. Instead of manually coding all behaviors, Bill just sets up a few things, hits play and takes a coffee break.
Disgusting.
When he returns, the AI is working as desired. Great, but hold on, Bill suddenly gets called to an important meeting.
2 hours later.
Okay, Bill is now back and he can't believe it. AI is showing remarkably intelligent behaviors that Bill didn't even anticipate from it.
So why is it performing so well?
It turns out Bill used a new official plugin for Unreal Engine called Learning Agents.
How it works and why you should care?
Learning Agents allows to create really smart AI using reinforcement learning and imitation learning, which are both subsets of machine learning. This approach can potentially replace old artificial intelligence methods like behavior trees and state machines, because when everything is set up well, it often results in bots with complex, adaptive, human-like behaviors, leading to more engaging gameplay.
Okay, there are some drawbacks.
First, training requires data and time. Second, you can't simply edit the behavior if you want to change something as you would with traditional methods. Instead, you usually need to adjust the algorithm and retrain it, and there is no guarantee the results will be better. But despite those drawbacks, this approach still offers significant benefits and holds huge potential. Imagine bots that instead of doing stuff like this, act like real players. Moreover, there are other applications where it can be very useful, like automated game testing or physics-based animations.
So,
If you're ready to unlock Learning Agents' potential, watch this video to get started.